A scheduled event on Tuesday, August 30th, featuring Kiambu Governor Kimani Wamatangi, was unexpectedly disrupted by a contingent of demonstrators seeking immediate assistance. According to various media sources, the incident unfolded in Ruiru, where the county executive was in the process of dispersing educational grants. The event, which aimed to provide bursaries to 3,200 students across 8 wards in the county, was briefly halted due to the arrival of a group of rowdy young individuals. Allegedly, these youths were transported by certain members of the County Assembly, MCAs. Among those present was Gattingora MCA John Njogu. The group insisted that Governor Wamatangi give 1,000 shillings and 2,000 shillings to each attendee before proceeding with the event. This financial demand sparked a disruption, causing the governor to relocate to a different area of the field. In an effort to restore order, Wamatangi urged the protesters to remain composed. Governor Wamatangi expressed his willingness to collaborate with the MCAs and resolve any differences for the betterment of the citizens, stating, "I am ready to work with leaders who are committed to the welfare of the people, even if they are our MCAs. Each person has their own intentions, and they know that their purpose is to assist the citizens." However, taking a divergent perspective, Kiambu Senator Karungo Wathangwa criticized the governor for his perceived lack of focus on addressing substantial challenges faced by the county's residents. Senator Karungo alluded to an unsuccessful mediation dialogue initiated with members of parliament and the governor. He further revealed attempts to facilitate a discussion between the governor and the deputy president, Rigathi Gachagua, which led to inconsequential exchanges. Senator Karungo lamented that instead of addressing pertinent issues affecting the people of Kiambu, the governor diverted the conversation towards irrelevant matters, such as his removal from a WhatsApp group. The involvement of MCAs in the event at Ruiru and the governor's response to the situation exposed underlying tensions and differing opinions on how to address the needs of Kiambu's citizens. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.